In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant working for a large corporation, generating accurate and professional quotes is crucial for winning new clients. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can efficiently create and send quotes to your customers. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a variety of features on the left-hand side of your screen. For our purpose, we'll be focusing on the Sales module, so go ahead and click on Sales. This is your hub for managing customer interactions, and it's where we'll start the process of creating a quote. Next, within the Sales module, you'll find an option labeled Quotes. Clicking on Quotes takes you to a new page where you can see previous quotes and, of course, create a new one. We want to initiate the process, so find and click on Create Quote. This option allows you to start drafting a fresh quote for your client. Now that you're on the quote creation page, you'll notice a variety of fields that need to be filled out. Let's begin with the customer information. Click on Customer Name. This field allows you to select an existing customer from your database or add a new one if this is their first transaction. Ensure you've got the correct customer linked here. Moving on, it's time to specify the location. This can be particularly useful for businesses operating in multiple locations, as it ensures you're sending the quote from the correct branch. The next step involves the quote hasqua, which is essentially the identifier for the specific quote. Zoho Books automatically generates this number, but you can edit it if needed to align with your internal numbering system. Following that, you'll want to add a reference office. This field is optional but useful for referencing a specific project or agreement that this quote pertains to. Don't forget to choose the quote date. Setting the correct date helps in tracking and organizing your quotes effectively. Another critical field is salesperson. If your business tracks performance per salesperson, selecting the responsible individual here will help in dashboard reporting later. Similarly, for businesses working on specific projects, the project name field is where you designate which project the quote is for. Now it's time to add a subject. This will appear on the quote and should give your client a brief understanding of what this quote addresses. The heart of the quote is item details. Click here and you can start adding the products or services you're quoting for. Input descriptions, prices, quantities, and any discounts applicable. Once that's all set, you'll want to review the subtotal. This is automatically calculated by Zoho Books and gives you an overview of the quote's total before tax and adjustments. Adding customer notes can be invaluable for specific instructions or personalized messages to your customer. The Terms and Conditions section is another area where you can specify any standard or specific terms applicable to the quote you're sending. If your workflow includes taking an upfront fee, you might want to enable the option to create a retainer invoice for this quote automatically. This will streamline your process by generating an invoice to secure a deposit. Finally, to finalize your quote, you have the option to save as draft if you need to review or make changes later, or save and send to dispatch it directly to your customer. Now you're equipped to create detailed, professional quotes in Zoho Books. Remember, precise and clear quotes can make a significant difference in converting prospects into customers. Thank you for watching, and happy quoting!